Yo, what's up Pinas? Yo, nandito na naman tayo ngayon at kakain na naman tayo. Okay? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Boni Serrano, Quezon City at nandito tayo sa Kumukuro. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa Kumukuro at kakain tayo ngayon ng Japanese ramen. Actually, meron silang different branches. Ito yung branches nila sa Boni Serrano, Quezon City. Meron sila sa Shaw Boulevard, meron sila sa Santa Ana, Manila, meron din sila sa Iro dito sa Quezon City. So ito nga yung bago at nagte-trending ngayon na affordable na Japanese ramen dito sa Quezon City. Meron din sa Manila, meron din sa Mandaluyong. So ano pang iniintay natin? Let's go at itry na natin itong Japanese ramen. Let's go!
Okay, this is the gyoza, which is, this is the first time na nakita ko yung ganito klaseng pag-present ng food ng gyoza. Ayun, nasa ilalim yung pinapag-gyoza. Okay, first bite. Oh my God, ang sarap na. Everything is perfect. Perfect blend, yung lasa, everything's good. Alam ko yung ibang gyoza kailangan ng sausawan, pero this one, you don't need na any sausawan about this gyoza. Pero, man, talagang ang sarap niya. Perfect. Okay, i-dip natin siya. Better na kanina, much better pa ngayon. This one is the katsudon, and try natin kung ano yung lasa ng katsudon nila dito. Let me remind you, this is a pork katsudon, okay? Everything's perfect. Everything's in balance sa lasa. This is the batu ramen. Actually, ito yung buzzer beater. Pero hindi tayo magba-buzzer beater ngayon. Titikman natin yung pinakalasa niya. They're using pork ribs, okay? Wow. Sarap. Gusto ko yung pinaka-base ng soup nila. Everything's perfect about dito sa ramen nila. Ang sarap. The noodles is perfect, firm, and everything's good about this. Well, perfect balance silang lahat. Let's try the ribs. Oh, wow. The meat is soft, juicy, and of course, nakita nyo, napakalambot na.
Kumukuro brings the bold, authentic flavors of Japan to life with the rich, slow, simmered ramen broths. And syempre, don't forget about those hand-folded gyoza na talaga naman perfect sa sarap. And you know, love those combination. Yung crispy golden pork katsudon with those rice, perfect combination. With this Japanese food crafted with traditional techniques, premium local and imported ingredients, and masasabi ko talaga, yung passion for culinary excellence, you can taste in every bite. So ano pang hinihintay mo, mag-drop by ka na isa sa mga branches nila sa Kumukuro where deep flavors meet Japanese soul. And always remember, good food means good mood. So hanggang dito na lang Kapinas, see you around, peace and one love.